The Steam Deck has been sold out for months, not because it's some hot new device that everyone wants, but because it may never be produced again. And the reason is closer than you think. It answers your questions and writes your emails. AI killed the Steam Deck, at least the first one. I'll explain what happened and why almost nobody is truly angry about it, even though it affects everyone. AI data centers are consuming RAM at an enormous scale. Not just a little, they're devouring it in a way that has fundamentally changed the market. Less than a year ago, a 16GB DDR5 kit cost around $60. Today, that same kit costs $270. That's more than 4 times the price in under 12 months. But what does that have to do with the Steam Deck? The Steam Deck relies on exactly this kind of memory, 16GB of DDR5 built into every single unit. That means the increase in RAM prices alone would push a Steam Deck that used to cost $400 up to around $600. And Valve still wouldn't make a single cent in profit. It would merely cover the higher component costs. Obviously, that's not a viable business. Then there's storage. A 1TB 223 ONVMe SSD, like the one used in the deck, cost about $85 in 2025. Today, it's closer to $200. Add everything together, and the base model ends up costing roughly $650 to produce, for hardware that's already 4 years old and technically outdated. Valve had a choice. Not a good one, but a choice nonetheless. Either raise prices and continue production, or stop production and wait for component prices to come back down. The empty shelves for months on end seem to answer that question. What's truly alarming isn't that the Steam Deck is sold out. It's how long that situation could last. Experts disagree. Some say a year, others talk about the mid-2030s, and some believe prices may never fully return to pre-AI boom levels. And if prices stay elevated long enough, Valve isn't going to restart production for a device that's 5 years old by then. That would mark the end of the Steam Deck, not through a successor, but through a quiet discontinuation. What this means for the entire handheld gaming market is even more concerning. The last few years have seen an explosion of innovation in the space. The ROG Ally, Legion Go, MSI Claw, dozens of devices entered the market and pushed the category forward. That growth was possible because components were affordable and the audience was expanding. Now, both trends are reversing. Devices launching today have to account for these component costs, which means future handhelds could easily end up in the $1,000 price range. That shrinks the market, makes it more niche. And smaller markets get smaller budgets, less development, and ultimately worse products. The community's recommendation is becoming increasingly clear. If you need a handheld right now, buy used. If you already own a working device, take good care of it. And if you're waiting for a Steam Deck, don't count on a new batch arriving anytime soon. What do you think? Will prices recover, or is this the beginning of the end for the handheld era as we know it? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.